Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today, we're going to unbox some items that I bought for the past few days here in Metro Manila. And I visited the store that is located at the Power Plant Mall. This is called the Signet Store. Actually, this is my second time to visit and buy an item there. And the first time that I visited in this store was last December 20 of last year, where I bought a Selvedge denim, which is the flathead Selvedge denim. And that is the first item that I bought from the said store. And then the second time, sometime in July, I bought a engineer boots from Wesco in the same store. And then this is the third time that I visited the store, and I would like to have another pair of Selvedge denim. Second pair, which is made in Japan, Selvedge denim. And I talked to the store manager of this Signet Store. This is a friend of mine, Mr. Bryce, and he recommended me some items for good fading on my denims. So last week I visited them. I visited the store and made some fitting, and Bryce was able to recommend and brought me some denims for me to fit and some t-shirts. And last Monday, I went back to the said store and I was able to buy these items from the said store. And for today, I'm going to show you the items that I was able to buy in the said store. The first item is a denim, Selvedge denim from Warehouse. This is made in Japan, and last year, 2020, they offered a 25th anniversary Selvedge denim for their brand, which is Warehouse. And this is the model 1000XX. So this is a dead stock blue DSB model 1000XX, and as the name implies, the denim fabric is dead stock, and it seems that this was discovered in one of the warehouses where they store denim cloth, and for 25 years, okay, since Warehouse have been manufacturing Selvedge denim pants, this is one of the few and the first denim fabric that they have made. And most of the stores don't sell this anymore because they are out of stock. They are easily bought by, denim heads and Selvedge denim lovers. So Mr. Bryce Salhab offered me this, and I like the fit, which is very different from the slim fit that I usually have in my past or first Selvedge denim, which is made in Japan. The flathead is, I think, is slim tapered, and some of my Selvedge denims from Uniqlo are tapered slim. So this is the first time that I'll be wearing a true straight denim fit coming from Warehouse. So when I fitted this, I was surprised that my Levi's size is 30, and in this pants, because it is high waist, the size is 31 inches. But if you make some research on the actual size of these pants, the waistline is actually 33 inches, more than 33 inches. It looks like those pants after the war. It looks like a balloon pants. These are the military cut uniform then. It has a balloon ties, and then the knee portion all the way to the hem is straight cut. And yeah, so this is it. I think this is the weight of this denim is maybe 14 to 15 ounces per square square yard. So I was advised by Bryce that before I'm going to wear this and use this, I have to first soak this pair of jeans in water for maybe 30 to 1 hour and then let it hang dry. I was informed, according to the instruction, that there will be some shrinkage because this is a raw denim. And as I researched about this particular model, I found out that in the waist section, there might be a reduction of 2 to 3 inches. The side or the hips might be 1.5 inch to 1 inch, and then the hemline might be 2 to 3 inches. So we will see what happens to this denim once after we have our first soak. So basically, it has some arcwake at the back pocket. These are the back pockets are riveted. All the pockets are riveted, and says here it's size 31, but actually the actual size is there's some Selvedge. So we will see what will happen to this fabric. Actually, I've been collecting some heavier denims for the past months because I intend to join the Indigo Fade competition, which will start on April of next year. So basically, I have December, January, February, March, 4 months to get more denims and maybe try some denims of heavier stuff and find out which one is the best for this competition. Of course, I'm not. My goal is not to be among the top 10, but well, the experience will be a worthwhile activity to follow. So it's all about the journey. It's all about learning the process of denim fade on the denim made in Japan, and most especially to warehouse. Actually, this will be a pair of my warehouse jacket type 1, which I bought from the same store, Signet, which I'm using right now for the red line rally shirt Indigo Fade competition. And we are in the 7th month already, and that jacket is the one that I'm using in this competition. These denim pants comes with their 25th anniversary catalog, where you can see all those the history of warehouse from the time that they created this brand. Bryce also recommended me some T-shirt. Maybe he saw my pictures on Instagram that I've been wearing different T-shirts for 1 month on a daily basis. I was wearing some T-shirts every day for 30 days. And I got this T-shirt from the Flathead. Very nice, black. It's called the Betty Carroll T-shirt. And a white shirt that I will pair with my warehouse pants. No print on the back, but it's just a leopard print in front. So that's it for today, and we will see how this warehouse pants will fit after it is soaked for the first time and air dried, and we'll have some video of it while I am using it. So with that, thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye.